Hello developers. We are aware that challenges and bottlenecks come up when developing IoT applications with AI capabilities. Some common problems that you might face include problems with scalability, handling massive data, ensuring interoperability between diverse devices and services, as well as speeding up custom applications development. We have created the Qualcomm Dragonwing IoT Solutions Framework that can enable enterprises to build AI-driven IoT applications and overcome such challenges. This comprehensive suite of developer tools, reference blueprints, and an ecosystem of partners help you build customized solutions to meet your needs. It enables easy development of end-to-end applications and reduces implementation time. The framework's microservices can be used as blueprints to build solutions for industrial use cases such as video security and surveillance, drone services, industrial automation, and worker assistance. In this video, we will learn about the Dragonwing IoT Solutions Framework and explore how enterprises can use this framework to create, build, and scale AI-rich IoT applications. Let's begin by exploring the basic building blocks and workflow of the Dragonwing IoT Solutions Framework. The first step is to select from several different chipsets and reference platforms from Qualcomm Technologies that best fit your use cases. Qualcomm Technologies offers a comprehensive set of SDKs that allow you to build AI and imaging pipelines that leverage the efficient processing power of our computer accelerators. The next step in creating your edge AI solution is to prepare your AI model. In this phase, you will build, optimize, and deploy your model into your device, which can be done easily with Edge Impulse. Edge Impulse is a development tool that can simplify some of the procedures that have normally required time-intensive tasks. It can automate data collection, simplify model training, provide advanced optimization tools, and offer one-click deployment to devices with Qualcomm Technologies chipsets, thus taking full advantage of hardware acceleration. Edge Impulse is fully integrated with Qualcomm AI Hub, which will help you optimize models for your particular use case in your solutions. Our containerized microservice-based IoT solutions framework makes application development easier and can help you get your products to market more quickly. We have developed a set of microservices-based reference solutions that can serve as building blocks for a variety of use cases. You can take full advantage of them while developing your applications. Once you've selected the AI model, you can choose and deploy microservices. Containerized development of microservices allows for fault isolation and enables each team to choose their own language and technologies tuned to their problem that they are trying to solve. This modular approach helps you build complex systems from these individual building blocks. Once you've built your microservice-based application, you can deploy the devices and manage software upgrades at scale using our Foundries Factory platform or Kubernetes. Now that you understand how Dragonwing IoT Solutions Framework can be used, you can start implementing it into your own workflow and develop great AI-based IoT solutions. Stay tuned for more videos on some exciting real-life applications that you can build with Dragonwing IoT Solutions Framework.